Hey there! In this video, I'll walk you through how to integrate SendGrid with Kartra, a powerful platform for building funnels, memberships, and email campaigns. First, log into your Kartra dashboard. Then navigate to Integrations. Click on SMTP Servers. Here, you'll have the option to connect your Kartra account with SendGrid's SMTP service. Now head over to your SendGrid dashboard. Create a new API key by going to Settings. Click on API Keys. Once you've created the key, return to Kartra and input the API key in the SMTP server settings. For the SMTP server, use smtp.sendgrid.net. And for the username, enter API key. Use the API key as the password and set the port to 587 for TLS or 465 for SSL. After you save these settings, send a test email from Kartra to make sure the integration works correctly. If everything is set up properly, your emails will now be sent through SendGrid, giving you the added benefit of higher deliverability rates. That's it. With this integration, you can now use SendGrid's reliable infrastructure to send your Kartra emails. Hit subscribe for more tips like this. If you haven't tried SendGrid, just hit the link in the description and get your free trial today.